In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an FAQ section to your Wix website using the Wix FAQ app. Adding an FAQ section can be a game changer for your website as it aids in addressing common customer inquiries, streamlining communication, and enhancing user experience. So let's dive in and make your website even more user-friendly. To start, you'll want to head over to your Wix website editor. The first thing you need to do is open your preferred web browser and log into your Wix account. Once logged in, navigate to your website editor. This is your central hub for making updates and changes to your site's design and content, so you'll want to get comfortable moving around here. Once you're in the editor, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen. Here you'll find a toolbox with various options. Look for the option labeled Add Apps. This feature allows you to enhance your website with various utilities and tools that can support your business needs. Click on Add Apps, and a new window will pop up presenting a marketplace filled with useful apps and features. In this marketplace window, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into that search bar and type in Wix FAQ. The search function here is intuitive, so it should quickly bring up the relevant app you're looking for. This search step is crucial as it narrows down your choices, leading you directly to the Wix FAQ app without having to sift through the countless other apps. Once you see the Wix FAQ app in the search results, go ahead and click on it. A detailed summary about the app will be shown, providing you insights into what features it offers and how it can benefit your site. This is a great moment to check if this app aligns with your goals for the FAQ section, ensuring you're choosing the right tool for your needs. When you're ready to proceed, look for the Add to Site button and click on it. This button will seamlessly integrate the Wix FAQ app into your website. Clicking Add to Site doesn't install the FAQ section instantly, but it sets up the tool so you can customize it according to your requirements. After adding the app, a Manage FAQs option will appear. This is where the real customization begins. By selecting Manage FAQs, you can begin setting up the questions and answers that your customers frequently ask. The interface here is user-friendly and allows you to not only add new FAQs, but also organize them into relevant categories, ensuring your section is not only informative, but visually appealing. In summary, integrating an FAQ section with the Wix FAQ app is a straightforward process that can significantly improve communication on your site. It empowers your visitors with instant answers to their common inquiries, leading to a smoother experience. So, go ahead, try adding the Wix FAQ app today and watch how it enhances your site. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial.